पाणी वाटत की वेगळी चपाती करू नजून खायची नाही भाकरच काय
The farmer's name is Sambhaji Bosure. He lives with his family, his son's wife, and two children, as well as his daughter and her son. They have a land holding of 3 acres. Earlier, they used to cultivate millets, and in a very small portion of their land, they used to cultivate tomatoes. Their income was very less. They never used any water saving technologies. They were dependent on flood irrigation. So when we selected him as a demonstration plot beneficiary, he opted mixed vegetable cultivation. Presently he is cultivating ridge gourd as well as okra, and his earning significantly improved by this new pattern of cultivation.
The major challenges which we are facing is farmers are still dependent on the traditional way of agriculture. They are very reluctant to adapt new technologies, new methods.
I think the trust is very, very important because the farmer has to risk his livelihood by implementing some of the new processes or programs or the way of cultivating. So unless they have the trust on, okay, what we may bring as improvements in the way he cultivates or she cultivates, he wouldn't risk that income, right? So the trust is so important for us to make sure that whatever we bring as improvements are well accepted. Plus also the trust helps us to build sustainability in whatever interventions we do.
समृद्धि प्रोडक्ट से उत्पादन ज़्यादा डबल टिबल तीन से ज़्यादा हो गया। समझो पहला जो 10-20 हज़ार रुपया मिलता था अभी 1.5 लाख 2 लाख को मिलता है अभी
एक सीजन में।
एक सीजन में मिलेगा तो एक बरस में
पहले 10-20 हज़ार कमाते थे, अभी कम से कम 2 लाख रुपए कमा रहे हैं।
ये ड्रिप ये किया ना, ड्रिप और मल्चिंग, उससे उत्पादन मिल रहा है, इससे अच्छी तरह से इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं।
किन चीज़ों में?
अभी समझो बच्ची को गाड़ी दिया, वो बच्चे लोग दूसरे स्कूल में था ना, तो अभी वो इंग्लिश मीडियम में लगाया।
अच्छा।
The partnership with John Deere is a long-term partnership because John Deere has a long-term commitment for these villages, so they want to uplift their socio-economic condition. This farm owns by Navnath Yadav. He lives with his son, daughter and his father. So his wife passed away due to cancer, so his children and his father is supporting in farming activities. In this particular farm, they are doing mixed vegetable crop. In the first season itself, they could save up to 50,000 rupees in 4 to 5 months. So compared to the income which they used to receive from sugarcane, it is at least 50% more. In this particular plot, they cultivate eggplant, drumstick, tomato, then okra.
The partnership of CARD with John Deere started in 2015. John Deere is committed for the sustainable development of the target communities, and CARD also has the same vision. So all our development projects are ultimately focused on the sustainability part of it.
मैंने जीवामृत कैसा बनाने का, 10 परनी कैसा बनाने का, कितना पेड़ों को देने का।
सो आपने एक तो जीवामृत सीखा और दूसरा क्या सीखा?
10 परनी। हाँ।
अभी कितना कमा लिया?
अभी 50-60 तक जाता है।
50-60 तो 5 गुना कम से कम बढ़ गया।
हाँ।
5 गुना आपकी आमदनी बढ़ गई। हाँ। तो जो आमदनी बढ़ गई उसको कैसे इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं?
जो स्कूल जा रहा है, हाँ, उसको फीस और उसका जाने का वाबुली में जाता है तो उसका जाने आने का हर दिन 50 रुपया लगता है।
So Samruddhi project is very sustainable because it's built upon the genesis that the community need is very important, and community are the real owners of this program, and that is why in all our program design, right from the planning to implementation to monitoring, evaluation, community is one of the key stakeholders. And community, once you involve in all these 4 phases, community, you basically empower them to own that program. First and foremost, one of our key programs is trying to address that the food security part of it, that reducing the hunger. So how does the farmers become more productive and they become solutions for world hunger? It means they have enough nutritious food. The second program, what John Deere is addressing for sustainable development goal, is providing quality education. Most of the programs are focusing on that. And the third, the partnership is critical from John Deere, from the not-for-profit and the community to achieve the desired goal.
Active participation and participation from the all stakeholders is very much important for the sustainability, because you cannot achieve all the results single-handedly. You should have collaboration with multiple stakeholders like communities, NGOs, civil societies, your employees.
We at John Deere also believe that community is a key stakeholder, and we strive through all our citizenship programs to create long-lasting economic and social impact. We design our programs in collaboration with the communities, and all of them include sustainability as a key element.
John Deere's volunteerism activities are partnering of John Deere with our community. So where we provide a good infrastructure to our students, our children, which are our children of farmers. We provide good infrastructure to them so that they can learn and grow. I would like to spend my more time and efforts by participating in many more volunteerism activities. I would also like to reach to more people, more villages where we can do such activities so that people can get benefited from them.
In agriculture, our vision is double the farmers' income. In education, our aim is to make sure that there is no dropouts in our project area. In terms of water and sanitation, we want to make all our villages open defecation free.
We believe that since community is owning this program and they are feeling it is for them, there is a whole component of sustainability inbuilt right from the beginning of the program.